You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, both in its language of origin, Polish, but also how it's said in American and in English. This is obviously the name of a famous American poet and novelist, but the name originates from Poland. But the pronunciations are actually pretty similar. Polish pronunciation, Bukowski, Bukowski. Therefore in English it's similarly Bukowski. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.